So I did actually want. Never did film the video in the morning. No, that was on my phone. That's on the phone. So to recap, what was on the phone? When I made the stencil was a bit different, and I cut the head off, stenciled the head. Then I sliced this part, put that there, and then whatever was here, it was actually there. And then I cut that off because we didn't want to go too far down because there's no need to go too far down because that's different day, different story. And then the focus was upper back, and then there was like a section there we put up there. So here I put heavy blacks, mostly, well, saying that, I only have black ink set up. So all this today's tutorial is done with black ink. And then where the shading is, I just dipped into water and then made it less black, but it's there. And then because it's all black lines, I made sections a little bit lighter so the other sections can go on top of it, so it layers. It doesn't look flat, one kind of dimension, but it overlaps each other, so it becomes more real, more cool. This section, that's where the previous one we did. That's where we just did the school, and then I merged those two together, push it down. But then I'm probably gonna work more in this area when we do this section. Then I have dates of like what's there, what's there, and what's there, and then I can make the merger more. Now I can only can make as much as I can see. Pain wise was horrible. This side was this side you actually have a fucking massive muscle on your right side. Your trips are like triple the size almost than that.
Doing more shoulders on this side.
Yeah. Huh? You're doing more shoulders there?
I'm gonna have to on this side and fix it.
I can send you the YouTube video. You can watch it. You'll see. But yeah, this side was harder to get ink in, even though we have more black in there than here. This side to get black in it wasn't easy. I tried 9 liner, tried 14 liner, 5 round shader. We also tried 5 liner, and then it was kind of combination of all those like kind of made it happen. But I have a feeling in the future we might add some more ink in there. But that's after that. The back mid section that was just painful. So I tried to do as much as I can. I did this side first, and then we did the other side. I tried to like not jump too far from each other for the areas. Altogether, what did we do? About 7 hours ish. Close to that. Yeah, then it goes all the way to the neck. And then these lines were horrible to get in. Probably in the future, I'm gonna blast more black in. And then this side was beautiful. 14 round line that just went in like nothing, like little marker lines. It was so easy. I've said to that, I enjoy it. What was the last time we did? Arm, yeah?
This did details in this arm last time.
Yeah. Did I? Yeah?
Yeah.
I can't remember now. But yeah, you can see more healed. Yeah, I did more shading there, yeah. Made that a bit more realistic. Ah, yeah, we did the guy inside the gates.
Yeah.
Forgot about that. Yeah. Probably need shave, then it would become more cleaner, crisper. When did we start this? It was July? Or was it Bloodstock Day? It was before that.
July was my first tattoo.
The ribs
Pretty
next
sure.
day there.
Ribs was July. And then August, Bloodstock was when you did this arm. So I went to it.
Literally had a tattoo then, then he's like, let's go to festival the same day. He's like, let's go roast day. And then that's healed. I don't even know how long this ago was that. But a massive scenery guy in the middle.
Except August, September maybe.
About half a year, 7 months ago, yeah. I don't like the night. It would be cool to add more black in places.
Yeah, I was thinking about more detail, like highlight this even more. Cathedral.
It's like where the black is, they really stand out, but then
Yeah.
we just need more black.
Put detail on him maybe somehow. I don't know.
It did have some similar
Yeah.
kind of pattern that this guy has. Yeah. Well, healed. That's healed. A little screamer there, hidden in the story, and then we added a little bit of red, just not have too much, and then little eyes hidden inside there as well. You can see a couple hidden. Yeah, it's been a lot of not finished work. And then what's next? We don't know what's next.
Sleeves. Full sleeves.
Inside there.
Yeah.
Arms next.
Yeah.
Maybe you can tell the world how was the paint today. What do people need to do to get in?
I think the pain was the same as the ribs
Yeah?
on my first day.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Because that was my first one, I was excited about it. On this one, I was just kind of relaxed, just waiting, and then the needle just came straight across my back.
And you're like, fuck,
So it was,
long day.
yeah, I was squeezing my face together for sure.
Fucking hell, you look so tattooed, like you look like you own this place, not look like a student.
There we go. That's it.
Literally.
That was the goal.